The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, Southern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Central Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8 p.m. At 4 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include West Bend, Mequon, Hartford, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Jackson, Slinger, Soapville, Thiensville, Germantown, Newburgh, Richfield, Addison, Rubicon, Keowns, Turkane, Nabob, St. Lawrence, and Allenton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Step 2 is right, but plenty